First, draw a line to use as a path. Then draw a circle that moves along the path. Remember, spacing that is farther apart means faster movement, and the spacing that is closer together means a slower movement. Now draw another circle that feels connected to the first one. Go to the first frame and draw your character's initial pose. Repeat this for the next frame. And continue for all the frames. Here we go. In the first frame, start sketching your final character. No, not this one. Keep refining until you find an appealing design. Yes, this one looks better. Now begin finalizing the line art for each frame. Add some secondary motion and a bit of squash and stretch here and there. Finally, add colors to complete your happy hip dance character.
Okay, let's dive in the Blender file itself. Here I got a simple scene set up in the Blender. I've got a GreasePencil object and a camera. So just two elements do the job. The GreasePencil objects got lots of layers, as you can see here. I started with the sketch layers. So let me show it one by one. I draw a line as a path. Then I draw a circle that moves along the path. These are all in separate layers. So this is ticks to understand the placing. This is the head circle, as it goes there. So I always look at it from the camera view, this camera, and I always work it like this. And after finishing this lines and shapes, I started the body sketch. So this is my main of animation design. This happened here. So again, if you can see it here, the body sketch from here, it gets framed 25 frame with 0, 25 frame with the speed of 25 frame per second, as you can see here. So I draw all these frames, and then the sketch is done. I go to the overlay groups. So these overlays just contained the first frame. One sketch is here, this one, that I didn't satisfied with. So I go to the other sketch. This is not just two. I go nearly 4 or 5 sketch design at this stage. These two are just remained, and I can show it in the this file. I go to the final stage, and first I separated all in a different layers. After a while, decided to do it all in the line art layer. So it's body, hands, head, shoes, go on. All the line arts in one layer. Doing all the frames with the line arts. I do the coloring. For coloring, as you can see here, if I go to the draw mode, NijiGPen, if I spell it right, NijiGPen, this smart feel will appear. It's a little slow, but works really perfect for the situations like this. I do all the coloring step with this add-on. The other add-on that I used in this project One is GreasePencil tool, this one. As you can see here, when you press Alt, this is the timeline here, appears here. And this one is Storyboard Tools. And this is the really wonderful add-ons to work with GreasePencil projects. And they make lots of tasks easier for you. Beside that, even by this video, it looks like a simple task to do a cell animation like this, frame by frame. But it's really time-consuming process. So be aware. Don't think that it's just a simple thing to do. It's nearly took my 4 or 5 full day to finish this project. A week, I can say, to finish this project. After all of this, I add a tint modifier for better color harmonies on top of the blender colors on it. Orange and blue. It's not exact the same colors, but just I wanted to be somehow bind with the blender itself. After that, there is nothing left to show in this project. And in the next video, I'll show you the rigged GreasePencil characters that I worked on it. So stay in touch and take care.